What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Liam Trends, your home for daily analysis on the crypto market. The Bitcoin chart is currently testing our support box, the level of $21,700. We will face a rejection to break our upward rising trend line, signifying the dump to the downside, or we'll break this our resistance level to test higher time frame Fibonacci retracement level, which is between the level of $22,600 and the level of $23,000. Continue watching this video as we analyze the chart for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Welcome once again to my channel where we analyze the Bitcoin charts along with Ethereum from the higher time frames down to the lower time frames for possible trading setups and how best we can take advantage of the opportunity the market presents. We'll be starting with Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame. On the 4-hourly time frame, we are currently forming a bearish pennant. This is usually a chart pattern that has more likelihood to break to the downside if we are actually following the trading structure. This pattern could actually take us as low as $19,000 for Bitcoin. The bearish pennant has the likelihood to break to the downside, break more to the downside using this chart pattern. Bitcoin chart is currently testing this our resistance box, the level of $21,700. If we go down to the lower time frame, to the 1-hourly time frame to see the consolidations at this our resistance level. Currently at our 1-hourly time frame, we've seen that Bitcoin has actually been facing a rejection from this resistance box. We had a rejection one here, we had a rejection here, we had a rejection here. Fourth time we are currently facing a rejection at this resistance box. Remember, the more times you test the resistance level, the more likely you are to break this level. So it's possible that we can actually have a leg up from here, from this breaking this our resistance level, or we face a final rejection to either come and test our support box or break it. This is a very tricky scenario for Bitcoin. Personally, what we'll be expecting on the Bitcoin chart is a clear break of this resistance level. We are not impulsive traders that will enter a trade at this resistance level. We need to see a clear break of this resistance level. Something like this, take our path. This is what we're expecting of Bitcoin. A clear break of this, a 1-hourly candle, clear break of this resistance level. Then on the retracement, on the creating the lower high, the lower low rather, the market gives us a lower low. We can then enter the market to buy the market for a move to a higher time frame Fibonacci retracement level. Remember, this is our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level on the daily time frame, which is the level of $22,600 and the level of $23,100. Between this level, we are expecting bearish consolidations, a break of structure, and opportunity to continue the move to the downside. Overall, the trend is to the downside on Bitcoin. This will only serve as a retracement and will continue the dump to $19,000, which is actually the target from this our trading setup, this our break of this trading setup we are currently seeing. So if we are currently seeing a break, a 1-hourly or for a 1-hourly candle, a long break of this structure, a volatile impulsive candlestick from this support, from this resistance box, then on the retracement we can then have an opportunity to enter a trade for a move to the upside, take profit at Fibonacci retracement level. Where Bitcoin is currently facing a rejection, which won't be nice to enter a trade or to short it from here because we could actually face a bounce from this $21,300. We are currently having an upward rising support level. We are currently creating higher lows. Which is also telling us that Bitcoin is actually gearing up for a big move. We want to also be patient with the market, waiting for and watching for us to break this our trend line, a break of this trend line. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a break of this trend line on the retracement of any sort, either on the 1-hourly time frame, on the 4-hourly time frame, or even on the 30-minute time frame. Retracement of any sort will give us an opportunity to sell the market for a move to the downside. So this is the trading setup I see on Bitcoin, both the bearish case scenario and the bullish case scenario, both relying on the break of either the resistance box, which is level of $21,700, or this our upward rising support line, the break of this and a retest. Then we can then sell the market for a move to the upside. Whatever direction the market chooses to go, as traders, we can actually take advantage of the volatility. If you enjoyed the content thus far, smash the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, turn on push notifications so you stay up to date on daily analysis on the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts. So moving on to Ethereum. Looking at Ethereum, this was the trading setup we had from our previous video. We had our Fibonacci retracement 2 from the swing high, which was the beginning of the dump, which is the level of 2,946, to the swing low, which is level of 1031. We saw that we got rejected from our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. We didn't get to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. We got rejected from the level of 1988. We got rejected from this level. We had a break of our trend line to the upside. We even had a break below the lower low on the previous low, higher low on daily time frame, which was the level of 1688. We had a break signifying the structure, a break of structure. We were on this using this trading setup. The take profit is the level of 591, take profit 1, which is the level of 0.23 Fibonacci retracement level. So we are currently having a retracement on the daily time frame. If we take our Fibonacci 2 to estimate where we could have the next retracement 2, and then have an opportunity to sell the market, you can see that we are currently testing this our support box, which was what we broke from the impulsive move from our previous video. We had a break of this support box. You can see that 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level aligns with this our support box, which is the level of 1711 and the level of 1744. We are currently approaching it, our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level using these Fibonacci levels. If we go down to the 4-hourly time frame to spot the trend, currently on the 4-hourly time frame, we can use our trend line. Using our trend line to spot the trend, using our trend line to spot the trend to the upside. So you see, using our trend line, we can see we are currently creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. You can see we are currently in a healthy uptrend to test our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. We are currently in our support box. We could actually have an impulsive move, have a leg up rather, to our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So we're looking for a break of structure. We're looking for a break of structure. So we take our path on Ethereum. The market could give us, to test the support box, come as high as our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, give us bearish consolidations at this level, give us a break of structure, break below our 0.5, break below our trend line. Then on the retracement of any sort, either on the 1-hourly time frame or the 30 minutes time frame, we are looking for a retracement. Remember, we do not sell the market at the lower low, but I will sell the market at the lower high. On the retracement, then we can then take a sell position to our take profit 1, which is level 1516 on the 4-hourly time frame. Take profit 1, level 1516. You can expect Bitcoin chart to give us a move to this take profit level, if it's respecting our 0.5. If it's respecting our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is level 1722 and level 1760. A break of this structure, you can expect to sell the market at the lower high for a move to take profit 1, which is level 1529. Remember to always apply risk management in all your trades, putting a risk level, putting your stop loss at a level that allows for volatility. Usually I recommend 1:3. Remember, nothing in this channel should be construed as a financial advice. This channel is strictly for educational purposes, empowering traders with trading setup. So this is what I see on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thank you very much for sticking with me through the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on push notifications so you stay up to date on analysis like this.